Every year, millions of people suffer from microwave misusage.
Oh my god! It's burnt again. Boo was gonna kill me. Hey, Boo Boo, here's some food.
I'm very disappointed.
Every day, people are unhappy with their burnt food from the microwave. This is why we have invented the microwave license.
Okay, Boo Boo, I see that you've come to get your microwave license so you can cook like a pro. Are you ready to take the test?
Yes.
Okay, question 1. How does a microwave work?
Well, you see, it uses magical powers and it cooks your food.
Wow! Very good, Boo Boo! Holy crap! Great answer. Question 576. Why is a microwave called a microwave?
I'm tired.
Okay, I'm tired too. You've earned yourself your microwave permit. I've seen enough. There you go, Boo Boo. I'm proud of you.
With your new microwave, you can make anything.
Out of nothing!
Go.
Every day, people are unhappy with their food because it's burnt.
Okay, Boo Boo, I see that you've come to get your microwave license so you can cook like a pro. Are you ready to take the test?
Yours. What? What did I do?
Nothing! Isn't that over? It's burnt! God dang. Hey, Boo Boo, how do you like your food?